What's up, boomers? Begin with me, Putra, on homemade studio in my home too, with the old setting. In this tutorial, we're gonna be learn how to easily animate character, guys, with website that have some free source that you can use, some motion capture that you can apply with any character. Yeah, that's it, guys. And with not taking longer of your time, let's jump into the tutorial. Let's go. The first thing that you should do is you should open the browser that you have. It can be like any browser, and write Mixamo. It was created by Adobe, and yeah, here we go. If you first time using Mixamo, you need first to log into any email that you have, or maybe you need to sign up for free. And because I already have make that account, I need to just sign in and choose my email. I'm gonna be blur it because that's my privacy, guys. And just choose the email that I always use. And that's it, guys. In this website, you can just choose any movement that you want to use, maybe run, walk, jump, or anything. In this case, I'm gonna be choose maybe dancing filter to make some interesting move. And I'm gonna be choose maybe this dancing mocap and just apply it on my model, just like that. And maybe if you want to use another character, you can just choose the character over here and just apply that to any character that you have. I'm going to be choose maybe this character, and just like that, guys. Now you have a dancing zombie just like that. But we're not gonna be use this model in this case because I'm gonna be using in some box to prove to you that this Mixamo motion capture can use in many character as long the mass of the character was enough, and it not gonna be have any issue, just like that. And because of that, I think I need to download this motion capture and just choose without skin, just like that. And the format was TFBX, and you can just choose 30 frames per second, and yeah, that's it, that's all. And you just need to click download. It's gonna be download, and after that we need to open a Blender. Yeah, now we're here on Blender, and we just need to open it just like that and delete everything, the object that included here. But if you want, you can just choose this cube as the character that you're gonna be apply with the motion capture, guys. But in this case I will not, because yeah, I'm gonna be use some model in add-ons that called Blender Kit, and write it box, and choose a filter for free. And yeah, I think I'm going to be choose this product display. Maybe you want making some ads or anything using this motion. It's really up to you. Just choose this one, and it's gonna be download the object, guys, just like that. And if you want me to make some tutorial to how install these add-ons, I'm going to be make the next tutorial about it, just like that. I'm going to be making, I think, a little bit bigger, just like that, to make me just more easier to look. And we need to add the motion capture, guys, the rig, and just click import and choose FBX, and go to the download or wherever you save the file, and choose the name of motion that you choose. In this case, it's broken up rock, and just click import FBX, just like that, and now you have the animation. You now have the rig of the dance, just like that. And I think I'm gonna be close this add-ons, and here is the keyframe of this rig, and we'll see, yeah, it's dancing so perfectly. And I need to back to the first frame, and remember guys, you always need to do this phase of this tutorial, because if you not do this, maybe you're gonna have some error with your character. You need to choose the data first and just reset this position rig at the reset position, and just like that, now you have a T pose of our rig. After you do that, you need to do some modeling, or maybe you can just duplicate this character to fit with our character rig, and yeah, it's really up to you, but in this case I'm going to be just duplicate this box for make sure it fit on the body. Just scale it up because this was the add animation. I'm going to be make sure this box was fit perfectly with the body. And here it is, it's the model that we have now. But if you want to make it with your own model, with your own project, it's really up to you guys. And after that, the thing that we need to do was just click A and make sure the bone was more bright than the box, and just click Ctrl and P and just choose pattern with automatic weight, just like that guys. And after you do that, make sure you change back the data at the pose to the pose position, and now you have it guys. It's the box moving just like that, like the dancer. And after you have the animation, I'm gonna give to you some bonus at this tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to make this animation have a cycles movement. You just need to click this non-linear animation, and you just need to click this button and go to the bottom, and at the action clip you need to raise it up the number of the repeat, and now you can have a longer animation that fit with your project timeline, just like that. For me, I think I need to make it twice. And back to the timeline mode, we need to just raise it up. Yeah, I think 300 is good. And now you have it, a long animation with some motion capture box. You can just use it on maybe CGI on billboard or anything. It's basically really up to you guys. Yeah, I think that's it. That's all. That is the all information that you can have. And yeah, don't forget to click like guys, write some comment, ask me anything, and maybe you have an idea for me to make another tutorial. I'm gonna be, I think, so thankfully to you and use it on the next episode of this channel. And yeah, that's it guys. And one thing I always tell to you is your mind is the only limit. Goodbye guys.